Paige is having some peaches, and I don't think she knows if she quite likes it.
Oops. Here you go.
Go lay down. Go lay down.
Is that good, Paigey Poo?
American Bulldog.
Huh? Do you like it?
Yes, I will.
Not quite sure what that is.
Oh dear.
What is that? How
I
Paigey
used
Poo?
to mix it in the rice cereal.
Oh, you
and
did?
It was warm.
Well, maybe we'll have to try that, the way Grammy said.
Does she like it or no?
Look at her face.
Paige?
I was just asking Eric about that last night. I said, the babies even know the difference?
I guess so. She doesn't make that face with the rice cereal.
Oh.
Wait, Granny. Stop too
Good.
fast.
Focused on making the best tasting sour cream for over 4 generations. It's made
Want some
with
more?
fresh cream that's 100% natural, no preservatives, and no added hormones.
What do you think, Paige?
No? Well, don't like that?
All right, we're going to try heating it up with some rice cereal.
Bill.
We'll try that.